Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is our sixth hadith about the forbiddance of anger. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رجلا قال للنبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أوصني قال لا تغضب فردد مرارا قال لا تغضب. On the authority of Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, said, a man came to the Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, to ask him, and he said to him, give me advice. And the Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, do not get angry. And the man asked repeatedly, and the Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, answers each time, do not get angry. I think this is a good advice can someone get, because anger is a natural emotion that you can't control. If someone get angry, the result would be getting himself in trouble. Like, anger can separate you from your family, friends, your loved ones, all that because of an anger. So, how do we control our anger when it happens? First, we say, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Then we pray 2 rak'at immediately or read a Quran.